traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how market is going to be faring on the 12th of March. That is the Friday, the last day of the week. And after a very volatile few days that we had, let's go ahead and see where the market will open and what needs to be our game plan. Now, before we proceed, we have made somewhere around 12,500 bucks in our live trading forum today. If you want to make similar profits by doing live trades with us, join us on www.rltrgroup.com and live trade with us every day at 9:15. You can also join the free Telegram channel that has been listed below for more information about how the market is going to be. It's absolutely free of cost, and also track our progress and how you can make sound decision based on the level that I share you in the morning. So without further ado, let's quickly go ahead and see what's been happening. So at this moment, Bank Nifty is actually in a very tight range, to be honest with you. Over here, I see a trend line that is coming from the bottom, which can act as a very important support. And from the top, I see that there is a trend line again. Now, this kind of a formation over here only means that more consolidation in between the zone can actually go ahead and give us some clear view on the next particular day. So, firstly, I want to tell you is that if Bank Nifty opens anywhere between this range that I'm plotting here, please make a note of it. The range is 36,000 and 35,865. If Bank Nifty is inside this range, we will not be initiating any trade. But if this range is broken, we will have some very pretty decent targets. So the first target that we can actually look for is 36,300 based on the previous tip that it had. And if it sustains there for a while and gives a little push on the upside, then we can also see another target of 36,400 here. Now, after that is taken out, we can have a lot of targets onto the top, but that would be the first few levels that I want to keep in mind for Friday. So if it takes out the bottom, you would need to actually wait for the level of 35,774 before initiating a trade. Now, of course, you will get an opportunity to trade here, but that's something that I don't want you to do, because on an upside, if you get a 5-minute candle that is breaking the range, you can straight away go ahead with that particular call option. But below, you would need a 15-minute confirmation. So if there is a 15-minute confirmation here and that is bearish, then we can quickly look for the targets that are coming here at 35,570. Now, if it is going to stay there, consolidate and break it with a pretty decent candle, then we can go ahead and look for another range at the bottom at 35,100. So the range is pretty open here in Bank Nifty, and it is going to be quite a volatile day on Friday. So Bank Nifty has been consolidated in a range. It can break out any time, and that particular break range can be traded with awesome passion. So these are my levels for Friday, and just to let you know, I would not be available for a video on Friday, but for live trading, but we will be initiating a testimonial video for all of you. So please stay tuned for a video on a testimony, a live testimony by one of our participants who has a very great story to share and who can tell you how retailers, by joining live trading here with RLTR Group, are able to make spectacular profits so that even you can do the same and better yourself. So see you around in the next video. I wish all my subscribers happy Shivaratri. I hope you guys get the divine power in you and let this Shivaratri rejuvenate your soul and bring you enlightenment so that you can start making sound decisions in life and also start making the spectacular profits that you are here for. I wish you all the best. Take care. Jai Hind. We'll see you on another video. Bye bye for now.